Alright, what's up here YouTube? It's your boy Tatsu370Z back. I've been on a like 2-year hiatus. That's my boy Luke.
Yo, what's up?
Nah, but yeah, I've been on like a 2-year hiatus, 3-year hiatus, something like that. I don't know. It's been like 3 years since I made a video. I'm gonna try and say less. Maybe some of you guys are wondering what happened to the Z. But the truth is, I don't have the Z anymore. I had to get something a little bit more practical for work. And so now I have this big ass Toyota 4runner. Yeah, so a few basics on the truck. It's a 2016 SR5 4-wheel drive. It's got a lift kit, wheels, tires on it. But eventually I'll do a more informative video on the 4runner and spec out everything I actually have on the truck. I do have some installation videos coming up on the 4runner, and these will not be fails. We're not having any more fails on this channel. This channel is about to get real serious. Yeah, serious. But yeah, so this is the truck. This is the truck.
This is a truck. You guys know that?
But yeah, so I just wanted to get on and update you guys and show you guys what I have now. I'm gonna have gear videos coming out, camping videos coming out. My dad's got a really nice 2018 Rubicon Jeep. I'll probably do a review on that. Luke, if you guys remember Luke. Oh, I got a dog now too. Willow, Willow, sit. Good girl. But yeah, if you guys remember Luke, he's pretty much the reason why every video on the channel failed. Bruh. Because he's not very mechanically handy, you know? But anyway, he's got a nice, what year is it, YJ?
95.
95 YJ. I'll do a review on that. But yeah, we're gonna take these things off-road, jump them. I already jumped this thing a couple times, so you already know what's coming. Nah, but in reality, we're gonna take these things off-road, have fun with them, and video and show you guys along the way. I'm glad to be back. Look out for the next video. Catch you guys when I see you.